thought I had finished. I thought I had finished harvesting from this container and I hadn't. Wow! Look, okay, it's only one potato. Still, that's very exciting. So, okay, let me look through this carefully because there might be. Yes, there's definitely more here. I can see one here. Oh, it's another potato. These are the ones you eat with the skin on, man. Oh, look, that's an earthworm living its best life. 10 from one plant. 10 potatoes from one plant. I don't know how many kgs that is. I don't have a measuring thing. So yeah. Yeah, okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, so this is from this bucket. As you can see, some are already germinating. You see this? Yeah. And these ones seem a bit sick. I've noticed something. The other bucket that I harvested had the same issue, and I'm wondering whether it has to do with the conditions of the bucket, because it was also in a bucket, you know. So anyway, let's see how much we have here. These ones don't look very healthy. They have some spots on them, but they're a good size. But I don't know whether they're edible, honestly. What are these spots? Is it the eyes? Are those eyes or spots? No, I don't even know. It looks more like a disease to me. But yeah, and I'm really wondering about the conditions of the bucket. Maybe, you know, these were cement buckets, so it's possible that the chemicals in the bucket did not clear completely. So that's not a bad size, actually. None of these ones are a bad size. Woo! Earthworm. So pretty. Yeah, a touch 1,000 earthworms than a snail. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So now potato. I should have picked these ones earlier, man. And they're mini. Zizind filler. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. 9. This one is a bigger size. I think this is the biggest I have so far. Oh, this is the biggest. Still attached to the cord though. Sie sind viele Kartoffeln. Ich habe viele Kartoffeln. No, I don't have many Kartoffeln. Kartoffeln. There's an N for many. Look at that. What is this? What is this? This is like potato skin. Oh my gosh. Do potatoes shed their skins like snakes? Everybody deserves a blonde moment. Do they not? Do they not? Do they not? Do they not? Yeah. Okay, I think that's all. I had like blanched stems or something, because I remember planting this one really deep. This one is bound to be a failure. I'm not even expecting anything, but you know what? I have learned not expecting anything is the way to go, because the more you expect, the less you actually get. Okay, so these are from the bucket. I already have 11 in there, so 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, add soil, 19, 20. I think we might have to. Okay, I'm gonna wash one and figure out what to do with it, because like with that disease, I'm not sure whether it's edible or not. Honestly, I'm not sure.